Go.
Hi, I am Jagmandeep Singh from Law Department, Central University of Punjab, Bathinda. I would like to talk about the Sustainable Development Goal 13 and 14. Sustainable Development Goal 13 is about climate action and protecting life. It is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by United Nations General Assembly in 2015. The official mission statement of this goal is to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. SDG 13 has 5 targets which are to be achieved by 2030. They cover a wide range of issues surrounding climate action. The first 3 targets are output targets: strengthen resilience and adaptive capacity to climate related disasters, integrate climate change measures into policies and planning, build knowledge and capacity to meet climate change. The remaining 2 targets are means of achieving targets: to implement UNFCCC and to promote mechanism to raise capacity for planning and management. Along with each target, there are indicators that provide a method to review overall progress of each target with SDG 13 as a whole. The UNFCCC means the United Nations Framework Convention on the Climate Change is a primary international intergovernmental forum for negotiating a global response to climate change. The average worldwide temperature in 2021 was approximately 1.1 degree Celsius higher than the pre-industrial levels. The years from 2015 to 2021 were the 7 warmest years on record, the top 3 being 2016, 2019 and 2020. Currently, climate change is affecting the global community in every nation across the world. So SDG 13 intends to take urgent action in order to promote climate change and its impacts. The contributing countries to this SDG are making plans to prioritize food security and production, territorial and wetland ecosystem, freshwater resources, human health, and key economic sectors and services. The UN discussions and negotiations identified the links between the post-2015 SDG and the financing for development process that concluded in Addis Ababa in July 2015 and COP21 climate change conference in Paris in December 2015. So, in common usage, climate change describes global warming, the ongoing increase in global temperature, and its effects on the Earth's climate system. Climate changes in a broader sense also include previous long-term changes to the Earth's climate. The current rise in the global average temperature is more rapid than previous changes and is primarily caused by human beings' fossil fuels. Fossil fuels use deforestation, some agriculture and industrial practices increase greenhouse gases, notably CO2, methane. Greenhouse gases absorb some of the heat that the earth radiates after it warms from the sunlight. Larger amounts of these gases trap more heat in Earth's lower atmosphere, causing global warming. Target, indicators and progress. SDG 13, we have talked about that it has 5 targets. Target 1 is to strengthen resilience and adaptive capacity to climate related disasters. Target, if we talk about that, second is integrate climate change measures into policy and planning in each country as a party. Build knowledge and capacity to meet climate change. And the fourth is implement a UN Framework Convention on the climate change. And if we talk about the promote mechanism to raise capacity for the planning and the management. So custodian agencies for these are UN International Strategy for Disaster Reduction, UNFCCC, and OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. So high-level progress reports for the SDG are published in the form of reports by UN Secretary General. The most recent was from the April 2020. Updates and progress can also be found on the SDG website, and that is managed by the United Nations and at our world in data as called by SDG. So thank you very much.